Hi guys, David from Tough Dog Suspension here, and today I wanted to run you through a couple of the key components of our Tough Dog Fleet Advantage program to help you decide if Tough Dog is the right gear for your four-wheel drive fleet. Tough Dog is an Australian company with a strong heritage in creating complete suspension solutions for the recreational four-wheel driver. Our products have been taking travellers to the most remote places in the country for over 35 years. Tough Dog have also got a range of fleet and commercial suitable products centred around our award-winning foam cell product. We've also got Australian designed and tested, federally approved GVM upgrades to help you carry more gear safely in your four-wheel drive fleet. To prove the reliability of our gear, we've taken the shocks in this 79 series with 3 years and more than 106,000 Ks on them and put them on our dyno machine to compare their performance to brand new units. These shocks might look like they've had a hard life, but they are still performing and could easily be put back into service. Here at Tough Dog, we pride ourselves on our extensive R&D process, which allows us to get kits out for new models, often within weeks or months of their release here in Australia. Our R&D team have spent hundreds of hours doing the rigorous testing required to get federally approved GVM upgrades to market, making sure that the gear that we sell you is safe and compliant no matter where you use it in Australia. No matter what you're putting your fleet through, Tough Dog Suspension will make sure that your fleet spends more time on the road, meaning less downtime, a better ride and a safer environment for your workers. Tough Dog have a huge dealer network spanning Australia, and thanks to our 3-year unlimited kilometre commercial warranty, if you do happen to have an issue, we can get you back on the road again quick smart, minimising downtime and reducing operating costs for your fleet. Our team are always ready to take your call. If you'd like to speak to us more about the Tough Dog Fleet Advantage, head to toughdog.com.au or reach out to us at the email below.